What is a Medallion architecture? In data engineering, one of the most important principles is that when data arrives in a system, it shouldn't be cleaned and transformed all at once. If you do that, you lose flexibility, traceability, and the ability to fix mistakes later. If you immediately overwrite raw data with clean data and something goes wrong, you have no way to go back and understand what the original data looked like. It's like editing a photo without keeping the original copy. If the edit is wrong, you can't undo it. By keeping raw data first and transforming it in stages, you can reprocess data when business rules changes, debug issues more easily, and compare outputs at each step. This is exactly what Medallion architecture helps you do. Medallion architecture organizes data into layers called bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze contains raw data exactly as it arrives from source systems. Silver contains cleaned, validated, and standardized data. Gold contains business ready data optimized for reporting, dashboards, and analytics. In real projects, this layered approach makes pipeline easier to maintain, easier to scale, and much safer to operate in production environments.